Hi, my name is Kaz, and if you've just met me, the warmest of welcomes to you. I'm on the beginning of my journey to create a small art business called Little Moonseed from the ground up. My dream is to be a visual storyteller, and I'm learning everything I possibly can along the way. Today is the first day of this amazing new year, and I've been reflecting on what worked for me this past year, as everyone has around the world. And I realised my mindset really shifted gear when I began the subtle art of stealing moments. How do you steal time? Well, firstly, I don't suggest procrastinating in a hammock, but you could become a time thief like Obi, who's a time thief master. She loves cuddles, and 45 minutes can be gone, poof, like that. It's just gone. It is a pretty awesome way to waste time, though. But I'm not as skilled in the art of time thievery like Obi. I've had to devise a simple, only slightly painful procedure I like to call getting my shit together. I've begun to make myself and my dreams a priority. This generally isn't something we're taught when we're smaller, so I've found a real challenge. Not having a heap of spare time is a problem for a lot of us, but I've just started to use my time with importance and make moments count. Once I began treating time as precious, I really began to notice things for myself. My half-hour lunch break at work turned into a fact-finding mission, giving myself tasks to complete. Before work, I'll watch videos that expand my knowledge. I listen to podcasts when I create. I know these things aren't new for some people, but they're new for me because I have a rather active imagination, which makes staying grounded a little tricky. But it's not just about using time wisely, it's also about making yourself and your dreams a necessity. And I totally understand how hard that is with life beating at your creative windows, but if we don't make our dreams a priority, then who's going to? And that, my friends, is how you waste time. And I think one of my fears is I'm scared of not doing things at all, of never listening to the dreams that walk beside me, patiently waiting. The other night I woke up to a song in my head, which happens quite a bit. It was a Josh Pike song. It goes, "What I fear is that all of these things I hold dear never become more than vibrations in air." What if we're so scared of our potential and trying to make something perfect that it never exists outside our heart and mind? That would be such a sad thing if the world never saw it, never saw what you created. I don't think there's anything wrong with something that's not perfect. Skills can be learnt, they can be improved. Regret is such a hard, heavy thing to carry. My wish for you this year is to not live with regrets. Live that dream. Light up what's in your heart. Ask yourself, what's your big dream? What do you want to create so it's not in the air? What will you do with your moments to help build your vision? Even if it starts small and grows slowly, it's still growing. It just needs a little nurturing. Thank you so much for spending your precious moment with me. May your year be one giant leap towards knowing yourself and your beautiful dream, even if it's made up of one stolen moment at a time. Thank you so much for watching. You are amazing. Happy New Year!